Pocket TENS 1.0. This is a dual channel rechargeable TENS unit that is specially designed for relief of pain from acute, chronic or joint related issues. A sleek and compact device that comes in a beautifully and smart packaging. In this packaging, you receive one TENS 1.0 device, 4 electrodes, a user manual, connecting cables, and a charging cord. When you have a closer look at this device, you will see it has got 2 connecting points for channel 1 and 2, a USB attachment point, a LCD display, a power button, intensity button, time selector button, and program selector button. Now let's have a look how to use this device. First, connect the connecting cords to channel 1 and channel 2 output units. Then attach the electrodes to this connecting cables. Once the electrodes are attached, now it's time to place these electrodes over the painful area. Then switch on the device. When you switch on the device, on LCD display you will see battery indicator, timer, treatment program and intensity display. You can change the treatment programs by pressing plus and minus button in the center. Select time by pressing timer button. Increase the intensity to your comfortable level. Make sure the intensity should always be to the point that you can tolerate. Once therapy is done, reduce the intensity and switch off the device. And then remove the electrode and place it back to the pallet. But before you use this product, there are few things to keep in mind. Keep the intensity at comfortable level. Recharge the device as soon as you see low battery. Do not exceed the therapy session more than 30 minutes. Maximum session you can take is 2 times per day. Do not apply any gel over the electrode. Keep it at cool and dry place. So did you see how simple, easy and convenient it is to use TENS 1.0 device by Ultracare PRO? So what are you waiting for? Order Ultracare PRO TENS 1.0 device today.